Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Instagram account with email and password. So what you need to do is basically get over your Instagram account and make sure that you log in into some other account, log in into an existing account and switch accounts. And make sure that you need to log in and you don't know your email and you don't know your password. So you basically have to recover your account with email and password. So what you would do is tap on get help signing in or logging in. Once you do that, you're going to arrive on this page, and this page specifies that find your account, and you can do this by tapping on next, or what you can do is can't reset your account and just tap on it. This way you would be able to recover your account with your email and your password. So it would take some time to load, and instantly when it does, you see that choose a way to recover your Instagram account. So either you can do it by your password or your email. Once you do that, all you need to do is try another way. Once you tap on it, you'd say that my forgot my password and can't reset it, and you just turn it towards next. And once you do so, you see this is how it happens. You would be eventually directed towards the email in which you can tap on next, and furthermore you can recover your account using it. So that was it. This is how you recover Instagram account with your email and password. If there's anything I could help you with, just comment down below. I would love to know that. If you like the video and actually it was informative, so just comment down below, and just don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.